Headquarters, Atlanta, Georgia, U.S. Dr. John S. Pemberton invented Coca-Cola on the 8th of May 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia. He tried it out on customers at his local chemist, Jacob's Pharmacy, where it proved so popular it immediately went on sale at 5 cents a glass. Asa Griggs Candela Sr. was an American business tycoon and politician who in 1888 purchased the Coca-Cola recipe for $238.98 from chemist John Stith Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. Candela founded the Coca-Cola Company in 1892. Purpose: refresh the world, make a difference. Vision: vision is to craft the brand and choice of drinks that people love, to refresh them in body and spirit. Brands: they have established 200+ brands of drinks that are best positioned to grow in an ever-changing marketplace. It includes trademark Coca-Cola, juice and dairy drinks, alcohol ready-to-drink beverages, sports drinks and more. Sparkling: Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Fanta, Sprite Hydration, AHA, Body Armor, Dasani, Powerade, Smartwater, Topo Chico Coffee and Tea, Costa Coffee, Fuse Tea, Gold Peak Tea, Peace Tea. Juices and dairy: Fairlife, Innocent, Minute Maid Simply. Alcohol: Fresh Mixed, Jack Daniels and Coca, Simply Spiked, Topo Chico Hard Seltzer. InsideCompany: the primary way that product reach the marketplace starts with Coca-Cola Company. The company manufactures and sells concentrates, beverage bases and syrups to bottling operations. Coca-Cola also owns the brands and is responsible for consumer brand marketing initiatives. Coca-Cola bottling manufacture, package, merchandise and distribute their final branded beverages to their customers, an individual or business, and vending partners, who then sell their products to consumers. How they operate: the Coca-Cola Company typically generates net operating revenues by selling concentrates and syrups to authorized bottling partners. Their bottling partners combine the concentrates with still or sparkling water and add sweeteners, depending on the product. Their finished product operations consist primarily of company-owned or controlled bottling, sales and distribution operations. The company purchases all of the plastic bottles used in its manufacturing plants from southeastern and western containers and all of its aluminum cans from 2 domestic suppliers.